Today's tutorial, we are working pinchamayurasana or forearm stand at the wall. First, you want to find the distance on where to place your arms. To do that, you want to place your arms down, go ahead and grab the top of your arms. And that's about the distance you want. Then you want to open your hands. Your hands should be parallel to your shoulders or in line with your shoulders. If it's slightly narrower, it's okay. All right, so find that distance. Come parallel to the wall. Lift your hips up. Make sure you're close enough to the wall where you can place your foot on the wall. Once you've placed your foot on the wall, lean towards the wall as you lift the other leg up. Come into a stag position. Push into the mat with your arms. When this feels comfortable, slowly take your foot off of the wall. You want to look down at the mat. And if you feel comfortable, try straightening one leg. If that feels okay, straighten the other leg. Remember not to sink into your shoulders. You're pushing away from the mat with your hands and your arms. When you're ready, bend one leg, place it down, then the other.